Milling machine after-sales maintenance video, monthly maintenance. Check 1, monthly cleaning. Discard the dust from the vacuum cleaner. Remove the filter element. Pinch the buckle and rotate counterclockwise to remove the cover. Blow off the dust inside with an air gun. Put it back on, cover tightly. Put the bucket back in. Click on Tools, Manual. Click on Tools door open. Clean the tool presetter with an air gun. Rotate the lid to blow away the dust inside. Clean the dust in the knife magazine. If the tool magazine is worn, it needs to be disassembled and replaced. Before gas inspection, the casing needs to be dismantled. Attention! Before disassembling the casing, it is necessary to disconnect the power supply first. Unscrew the screws on the outer ring of the rear shell. Extract the outer shell. Check 2, manual calibration. Please prepare a wooden disc or wax disc. USB driver, loading. Find calibration file. We choose W50 to calibration metal T2 and C file. Loading. Install wooden disc. Start. For the manual calibration, it will take 20 minutes. After manual calibration, you will get to wooden block. It's different. One is have mark, other one no. So we measure B, C, D, E, F, G. You can see here B, C, D, E, F, G. Right now, we check the value. We measure B value. It have mark. Measure position, a little upper. Check in the video. 0.99. And then see 0.99. It's good value. It's good. So normally we measure 3 times. A. Measure. D. 3 times. E. G. After that, we get correct value. Input the B value 0.99. C. Double click 0.99. Enter F. It is A. Show no need for change. D. 0.99. Enter. E. 0.99. Enter. After that, it's very important. We must click amend first. Yes. After that, we click save with manual calibration finish. Check 3. Gas inspection. Check for water and oil in the filter of the air source processor. If there is water or oil, pinch the exhaust pipe. Push the tube upwards with the other hand. When gas flows out, it will take away water and oil. If there is water and oil, it means that our gas source is not sufficiently dried and filtered. At this point, it is necessary to check whether the air compressor is dry. Check 4. Inspection of cooling fan. Check if the cooling fan is working properly. Turn on the power and check if the fan is running. Power on. Use your hands or paper to test if it is functioning properly.